Good Friday! What are we doing today? I came across a Kraft salad oil recipe for tomato French dressing. 1952. What do we have here? We've got 1.5 cups of oil, 1 cup of tomato sauce. I strained it, probably unnecessary. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, got a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and about a 1/4 cup of onion. It said 1 small onion grated. I've said it before, a lot of the onions today are mutant if you don't buy them in a bag. And so I think that's a small onion. I used the fine grater. It gives me a pulp, but I didn't want large pieces of onion floating around in there. 1/2 cup of vinegar. It says to put all of this in a jar with a tight-fitting lid and shake it, and it makes 3.5 cups of sauce. Where do you find a 3.5 cup jar at home? I'm going to put it in a large plastic container and we'll shake it, and then we'll store it in smaller jars, smaller salad jars I have. Let's just do it. Let's mix it all up, shake it all, and then chill it. And we're going to make a little salad like in the picture, but I think we're going to try it with a little bit of shrimp. We're going to shake it in this container. Give it a good shake. Okay. 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of paprika. Now comes the fun part. 1.5 cups of oil. This is corn oil. Corn oil was very popular in the 50s. That's why I chose it, and because I had it and I use it. Got our tomato sauce. So 8 ounces. And hey. Vinegar. Oh, I spilled it a little bit. That's okay. It's a lot of vinegar. 1/2 cup of vinegar. Our onion we grated. Oh, I wasn't sure I was going to put all of it in, but I did. Oh my God. And a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Show the video. Don't forget the Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon. You ready to shake, shake, shake? That was close. All right. Shake, shake, shake. Here we go. Ow! That hurt. Ow! That hurt. It's not leaking. Ooh, it looks like Campbell's tomato soup. All right. We gotta try it, right? We gotta try it, don't we? We have to take a spoon. Let's give it a try. Oh, you know? Ooh! Oh! Hey! Oh, that's really good! I'm taking another spoonful. Holy cow! Oh! Oh, I think this is a keeper. I'm going to give it another shake before I pour it in the bottles. Let me just want to give it another shake. Oh my gosh! Let's do it. You got to pour it while the onion is still in there. One. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. One. Two. We're gonna chill. Review, brah. Wow, that was delicious. Holy cow. It's not often you get surprised by a flavor, and I think it's like the onion and the lemon is what I'm getting. Try another. It's slightly tangy. It's sweet. It's lemony. It's a little oniony. The tomato sauce is there, but it's not really tomato sauce I'm getting. Wow. Holy cow, that's a keeper. All right. Hey, see you in a few, man. This is far too exciting for salad dressing. I'm just saying. The recipe says to shake each time before serving. I'm going to shake it. We're going to put it in a little serving bowl for looks. And we're going to put it over our shrimp, eggs, and tomato. Butter lettuce. Hopefully this won't leak. Give it a good shake each time before serving. I'm going to pour a bunch in. That's more than we need. I have to take another taste. All right, it's been in the fridge for a couple hours. Oh, it's delicious. I actually think it got a little thicker, maybe because of the onions. I'm just going to put it all over. Oh, that looks good. We try a piece of shrimp first. I want to dip it in the sauce. We'll do that too with one of the shrimps. 1952 Kraft tomato French dressing. That tastes good. It's not cocktail dressing. It's not a cocktail dressing. Let's cut one of the tomatoes in half. There we go. That was wonderful. I normally do not have any dressing on hard-boiled eggs, but let's give it a go. No salt or pepper. No, whatever. That's different. Here's a hard-boiled egg. I think it's going to be better on the lettuce. Freaking lettuce leaf. There we go. All right. That's delicious. It's not over tangy. I was worried about the salt. It was 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I'm not getting high sodium from this. On, man. That's delicious. Wow. Let's dunk a shrimp. It was very good. I'm not really a fan of hard-boiled eggs and dressing, unless it's maybe mayo-based. Let's eat one more. Just give it a chance. Tomato and hard-boiled eggs, I don't know. Take a piece of lettuce with shrimp. The shrimp is good with the sauce. It's not cocktail sauce, so you can't expect it. I suppose you could put some horseradish in this. What I'm finding really delicious is the lettuce and the tomato. Oh, chalkboard. I could just pour this over salad. Wow. It's not reminding me of your typical French dressing in a bottle. I'm actually not sure what it's reminding me of at all. It's rich. It's a little tangy because of the lemon juice and the vinegar, but not overly so. I was worried about that. You almost just want to have a bowl of this. I am not kidding. I will make this again, gladly. Just saying. Big piece of tomato. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What I'm going to say? Extra watching. Why do I do that? When did I start doing this with my mouth full? I didn't always do this with my mouth full.